चलिए फ्रेंड, तो हम इसमें अपना क्वेश्चन वाला पार्ट शुरू करते हैं। इसमें इसको आपको ऐसे करना है कि मैं आपको क्वेश्चन बोलूंगा और 4 ऑप्शन दूंगा। आपको उसमें से 4 ऑप्शन में से जो सिलेक्ट लगे वो आप अपनी कॉपी या पेन लेकर उसको लिख लीजिए, और फिर जब आपके लगभग 20 क्वेश्चन हो जाए तो आप अपना चेक कर सकते हैं कि कौन सा क्वेश्चन सही है। तो इसमें जो आपके रॉन्ग क्वेश्चन होंगे सिर्फ आपको उन्हीं को ही याद करना होगा। ठीक है, इससे आपके लिए ईजी भी हो जाएगा और आपको पता भी चल जाएगा मुझे किस तरह के क्वेश्चन याद नहीं है, और इसको आप सिर्फ सुनकर भी याद कर सकते हैं इस सीरीज को। तो मैं अपनी क्वेश्चन सीरीज शुरू करता हूँ। पहला क्वेश्चन, प्रॉफिट मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम बिलोंग टू द फैमिली ऑफ ए बनु हाशिम, बी प्रॉफिट इब्राहिम, सी कुरैश, डी ऑल ऑफ दीज। करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज डी ऑल ऑफ दीज। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, Lat, Manat, Yahuz, Hubal and Huza are the name of A. Tribes of Makkah, B. Idols of Makkah, C. Tribes of Medina, D. Idols of Medina. Correct option is B. Idols of Makkah. Question number 3. In 615 AD, after the permission of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Muslim migrated to A. Abyssinia, B. Taif, C. Medina, D. Yemen. Correct option is A. Abyssinia. Question number 4. The name Ahmad of the Prophet of Islam was kept by A. Amina, B. Abdul Muttalib, C. Abu Talib, D. Abdullah. Correct option is A. Amina. Question number 5. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam took campaign to Tabuk against A. Quraysh, B. Roman Empire, C. Jews, D. None of these. Correct option is A. Quraysh. Question number 6. Arab vowels were put in the Holy Quran by A. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, B. Umar, C. Abu Bakr, D. Hajjaj bin Yusuf Safai. D. Hajjaj bin Yusuf Safai. Question number 7. Hazrat Ali declared his capital A. Makkah, B. Kufa, C. Medina, D. Damascus. Correct option is B. Kufa. Question number 8. In the history of Islam, the first civil war was fought between A. Hazrat Ali and Hazrat Aisha, B. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and Abu Jahl, C. Hazrat Ali and Hazrat Muawiyah, D. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and Abu Sufyan. Correct option is B. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and Abu Jahl. Question number 9. Hazrat Aisha is the A. daughter of Hazrat Abu Bakr, B. great muhaddis, C. wife of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, D. all of these. Correct option is D. all of these. Question number 10. Islam was first introduced in India by A. rulers, B. traders, C. travelers, D. Sufis. Correct option is B. traders. Question number 11. Hazrat Usman was charged for the burning of Holy Quran because Kali after A. Hazrat Abu Bakr, B. Hazrat Umar, C. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, D. Hazrat Ali. Correct option is B. Hazrat Umar. Question number 12. Which was famous animal during pre-Islamic period? A. horse, B. camel, C. mule, D. goat and sheep. Correct option is B. camel. Question number 13. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam belonged to which tribe? A. Quraysh, B. Ans, C. Khajraj, D. Koinoka. Correct option is A. Quraysh. Question number 15. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was brought up by his uncle after the death of his mother and grandfather. What is his name? A. Abu Talib, B. Abdullah, C. Abdul Muttalib, D. Abu Lahab. Correct option is A. Abu Talib. Question number 15. First wife of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. A. Aisha, B. Khadija, C. Umme Salma, D. Safiya. Correct option is B. Khadija. Question number 16. Aisha was the daughter of A. Abu Bakr, B. Umar, C. Usman, D. Ali. Correct option is A. Abu Bakr. Question number 17. What is the relation of Abu Bakr with Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? A. Friend, B. Father-in-law, C. Successor, and D. All of these. Correct option is D. All of these. Question number 18. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam died at the age of A. 50, B. 60, C. 45, D. 63. Correct option is D. 63. Write the name of the foster mother of Prophet Muhammad. A. Suaiba, B. Halima Saida, C. Both of these, D. None of these. Correct option is C. Both of these. At what age Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam did marry with Khadija? A. 25, B. 40, C. 45, D. 15. Correct option is A. 25. Question number 21. Kaaba was built by Prophet A. Abraham, B. Daud, C. Moses, D. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Correct option is A. Abraham. Question number 22. How many idols were kept in Kaaba? A. More than 360, B. 100, C. 10, D. No idol. Correct option is A. More than 360. Question number 23. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam migrated to Medina in the year 626, 610, 628, 622. Correct option is D. 622 AD. Question number 24. How many times did Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam perform Hajj during his lifetime? A. Once, B. Twice, C. Thrice, D. Several times. Correct option is A. Once. Question number 25. Name the first battle in the history of Islam. A. Badr, B. Uhud, C. Khandaq, D. All of these. Correct option is A. Badr. Question number 26. Treaty of Hudaybiyah was done between A. Muslim and Quraysh, B. Muslim and Christian, C. Muslim and Jews, D. None of these. Correct option is A. Muslim and Quraysh. Question number 27. What is the name of the father of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? A. Abdul Muttalib, B. Abu Talib, C. Abdullah, D. Abbas. Correct option is C. Abdullah. Question number 28. What is the name of uncle of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam who looked after him but not accepted Islam? A. Abu Talib, B. Abu Lahab, C. Abu Jahl, D. Abbas. Correct option is A. Abu Talib. Question number 29. Khalid was elder than Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. A. 15, B. 20 years, C. 25 years, D. 10 years. Correct option is A. 15 years. Question number 30. Year of victory of Makkah. A. 610 AD, B. 620 AD, C. 630 AD, D. 632 AD. Correct option is D. 632 AD. Question number 31. Abu Talib, uncle of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, died in the year 619 AD, 625 AD, 632 AD, 571 AD. Correct option is A. 619 AD. Question number 32. When Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam did marry with Khadija, her age was A. 25 years, B. 30 years, C. 35 years, D. 42 years. Correct option is D. 40 years. Question number 33. Battle of Badr was fought in the year A. 622, B. 624, C. 626, D. 632. Correct option is B. 624. Question number 34. What is the name of the mother of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? A. Aisha, B. Fatima, C. Amina, D. Khadija. Correct option is C. Amina. Question number 35. How many daughters of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? A. 3, B. 4, C. 2, D. 1. Correct option is B. 4. Question number 36. First revelation came to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam at A. Ghar Hira, B. गारे सौर, डी गारे अरकाम, डी गारे हिकमत। करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ए गारे हीरा। Question number 37. Quran was first revealed on Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam at once A. Option B 23 years, C 30 years, D 10 years. Correct option is B 23 years. Question number 38. How many surahs are in the Holy Quran? A 114, B 150, C 365, D 210. Correct option is A 114. Question number 39. Ghazwa means A. Battle in which Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam took part. B. All battles fought during the day of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. C. Battle in which Prophet Muhammad did not take part. D. Battle which were fought between migration. Correct option is A. Battle in which Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam took part. Question number 40. Quran was revealed through the angel A. Jibrail, B. Mikhail, C. Both of these, D. None of these. Correct option is A. Jibrail. Question number 41. Quran was compiled during the period of A. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, B. Abu Bakr, C. Usman, D. Umar. Correct option is B. Abu Bakr. Question number 42. After the death of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who became the leader of Muslim community? A. Abu Bakr, B. Umar, C. Usman, D. Ali. Correct option is A. Abu Bakr. Question number 43. Name the first woman who came in the fold of Islam. A. Fatima, B. Khadija, C. Aisha, D. Amina. Correct option is B. Khadija. Question number 44. First center of the preaching of Islam. A. Baitul Hikmat, B. Kaaba, C. Darul Arqam, D. Darul Nadwa. Correct option is C. Darul Aqwam. Question number 45. First month of Muslim calendar. A. Safar, B. Muharram, C. Zulhijjah, D. Ramzan. Correct option is B. Muharram. Question number 46. In which month Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam born? A. Muharram, B. Safar, C. Rabiul Awwal, D. Ramzan. Correct option is C. Rabiul Awwal. Question number 47. Idul Fitr is the first day of the month of A. Ramzan, B. Muharram, C. Shawwal, D. Zulhijjah. Correct option is C. Shawwal. Question number 48. Amina, mother of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, died when he was only A. 6-year-old, B. 10-year-old, C. 2-year-old, D. 15-year-old. Correct option is A. 6-year-old. Question number 49. Name the youngest daughter of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. A. Zainab, B. Ruqayya, C. Umm Kulsum, D. Fatima. Correct option is D. Fatima. Question number 50. First wahi from Allah came to Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam in the month of A. Zulhijjah, B. Muharram, C. Ramadan, D. Safar. Correct option is C.